So in this video, you're going to see me participate in the live event that Gimkit's doing. I just want to say that I appreciate their ingenuity or innovativeness with these game modes. They're kind of doing something that is a lot like Fortnite when they have their live events to introduce, say, a new island or some changes in their game, which is kind of fun, kind of being a part of something new. I hope that they are going to continue to do things like this in the future. I unfortunately was on my prep during this video, so I didn't get to have students participate with me, but I thought I'd make this video just in case you were unable to participate and just kind of see what happened. Of course, Gimkit came out with a new game mode, and I will show you what that's like in another video. So take a look at me running around basically on this map, shooting snowballs with my snowball gun at my second person that I added into the game. Thanks for sticking around, and if you have questions, let me know. We'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego. Game mode, it's pretty sick. It is. Answer questions to get snowballs or something. Oh, there's my other person. I joined in twice. Oh, I knocked him out. Oh, he comes back though. Okay. This Frostbite event happened to take place during my prep, so I do not have any students in my classroom. Otherwise, we'd probably all be playing together. Unfortunately, this is what we get. I did send them the code via Google Classroom, but that would require students to check their email, and we know that that is not something that high school students do. Good job. Okay, is that over? Let's go back to Gimkit Home and see if that's a new game mode or something. This one. There you go, Snowball. Brand new game mode. Let's take a look at it really quick and see what kind of stuff we got going on. Free for all, split teams, 7 questions per snowball. You can increase that. Last nicked and junior join late. Wow. So you can go up to 40 questions or 40 snowballs per question answered. Let's continue.